Okay.
You recording?
Yep. Hey Chris, what do we got here, man? I don't know.
Looks like a nice blue shark.
Yeah?
I'm trying to get you in here. I don't see it.
Get him.
There he is.
You can't see.
Oh, wow. He ain't that big. What do you think? Whoa. Watch out. Oh.
He didn't like that.
He didn't like that at all. Nice.
All right. Let's get him back up so we can get the hooks out of him and let him go.
Okay.
Come on, Mr. Mako.
First shark of the day. First shark of the day. Oh, look at him go.
All right.
Oh, he's pulling nice. See that? Fight this guy good. Here comes the leader again.
He's twisted up.
Oh, he's wrapped all around it. Let's see if we can unwrap him.
See if we can unwrap him. Try not to let him go too far.
Okay. Hold on. I think we can unwrap him.
I think we can get him unwrapped.
Come on then, boy.
He's trying to go the other way.
Wow. Watch that rod. I put it on. Oh.
Get this out of the way. I'm gonna pull this out of the way. You got it? Let me move this out of the way so you can film this.
We almost got it. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, don't wrap around, maybe. Don't wrap around. All right, I opened this up a little bit, so here she goes. All right, where's those wire strips?
Hold on. Hold on. I got a knife down.